How to create a Microsoft Team account for a school. Now Microsoft Team is linked with Microsoft. So first they need to create a Microsoft account. For that, on your browser, you just need to search for Microsoft login. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page. Over here, click on the first link. Once you're in this page, you need to click on the sign in option. From here, what you need to do is click on create one. From here, it's going to take you to the place where you can create a Microsoft account. Now, once you fill this form up and create yourself a Microsoft account, you can download the Microsoft Team app and open it. And once you open it, log in into your Microsoft account. Once you log in into your Microsoft account in Microsoft Team, you have created yourself a Microsoft Team account. Now, there is no such thing as Microsoft Team School, Microsoft Team Office. No, you can only create one account, which is Microsoft Teams account. And from inside that account, you can create yourself community like school community or many more other communities over here like this. So just create a regular account, and from inside there you can create yourself school, office, different kind of communities. Okay, that's how it works. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel.